Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Scarlett with Scarlett's Little Crafty Corner, and today I've got Merry Mail. So I have made another purchase. This is my second purchase for this Etsy company. Sorry, I had to cough. But this is from Mary Making and More on Etsy, and she has a YouTube channel, and her YouTube channel is Mary Making Crafts. And as you know, she has just launched her Etsy shop not too long ago, but she's really doing a great job. But she sells what she has called Mary Mud, and it is diamond painting putty that she makes herself. And it's really good, y'all. I've already used it. Like I said, this is my second purchase from her. And I'm sure there will be more. And she also has cover minders that she calls Mary Minders. And I thought that was just really cute. Alright, so she sends this. This has got all of her info. This is her Etsy shop. This is her YouTube channel. And she has an Instagram. So if you want to pause, there's that. And it just says, thank you for supporting her shop. And if you have any questions, to contact her. And if you need help using the putty, you just scan that. And it shows a video. Alright, so I got some more of her samples. And she sends an invoice, and it has all of them listed. And then she just put on here, Scarlett, thanks so much for your order and for sharing my putties on your channel. And she sends a little goodie bag. So let's go ahead and get into this. But if y'all have not checked her out on YouTube, you need to. She's got a really cute channel. So she has sent a candy cane. And then she got some stickers. It says you can do hard things. And then here is a drink. And then a dolphin. And she's got some trolleys in there. I love them things. And then she's also got diamond painting with sparklers. And this is frost. She's got just a sample of them in there. And then she's got a coupon code. And then this is just a DP with sparklers with Tmall. Okay. So this is what I'm excited about. So she's got a thank you for your purchase. And she wraps it very well, which I'm just ripping apart. Okay, so I got some of her monkey farts, candy cane, watermelon lemonade, sweet snow, bubblegum, gingerbread, and frosty berry. And like I said, these are just her samples. So these are just the small ones. So her bigger ones, she has listed in a separate, area. And I can smell this already. So this one is frosty berry. And this is what it looks like. Oh my God, that smells so good. It smells sweet but spicy. It smells really good. But like I said, she does make these herself. I don't know how she does it. I'm not sure if she explains how she does it. That's maybe her little secret. But she does a great job at it. And she does a really good job at putting these flavors together. So this one is watermelon lemonade. And they look like that. Oh my gosh. That smells awesome. It smells like watermelon lemonade. Now, the samples are just leftovers. Now, they are just leftovers from when she makes the bigger packs. And they're different every week. I think she said she lists her putties on Saturdays, I think. I'm almost positive she said Saturdays. Every Saturday. This one is bubblegum. And pink. And it smells just like bubblegum. Oh my Lord. That smells so good. And it's hard to choose which ones you're going to use because they all smell so delicious. Sweet Snow. So let's see what this one smells like. Ooh. It almost smells like a candy cane, but not. I know that doesn't make a bit of sense, but there you go. But like I said, she makes all of these in a bigger package. And then whatever she has left over, she puts into samples. So every week, the samples may be different. And sometimes she may not have any samples of some of the flavors that she carries. It's just whatever's left over. And they sell quick, y'all. Okay, so this is Monkey Farts. And that's what it looks like. Okay, so this, it smells like candy. It sort of smells like a sweet tart. Yeah, sort of smells like a sweet tart, but I can smell a little bit of banana in that. All right, and then this is candy cane. And y'all, I love using putties. I had rather use putty as I had wax any day. To me, the putties do not leave any kind of residue to where waxes do. And it doesn't matter what kind of wax, whose wax, what wax, it don't matter. The wax is going to leave a residue. Even the pink wax that we get leaves a residue. So there's the candy cane. And that smells exactly like a candy cane. You can smell the peppermint in it. Alright, so the last one that I have is gingerbread. And y'all, like I said, I don't know if she's going to carry the seasonal or not. So that's why I snatched up as many of these as I could. It's because I was afraid that once Christmas was over, look, there's gingerbread, that she wouldn't have these flavors anymore. Oh my gosh. It smells just like a gingerbread cookie. I don't know how she does this, but she does a good job. So, alright, y'all. I am definitely leaving her link to her YouTube channel and her Etsy shop in my description box, of course. And y'all definitely need to check her out on both her YouTube and her Etsy shop, because she's got a great channel and she's also got a great Etsy shop. So, y'all, I think you're going to be really impressed with the smells, the consistency and everything with her putties. And I haven't bought any of her cover minders, but I do plan to. So yeah, let's support these little Etsy shops, and show them some love. So y'all go check her shop out, and until my next video, I hope you're all doing well, and I hope your new year is going well so far. And I hope great things for everyone for this new year. And until my next video, y'all, I will see you all later. Bye, y'all.